been absolutely amazing. That is the dream. It's mid like هيك end of summer, شوي في breeze only at night, but you can still swim. So I'm really excited to be here right now. First day we spent it shopping basically. It was a pool day, بعدين lunch at a restaurant called Bauli, which is like a Japanese beach club. في lunch, and they have like this specific brand of Prada that these bags don't exist anywhere else. It was very interesting. Live music, live band, and the DJ. So عن جد جو Dubai is completely different from anywhere else you can see. I've been really enjoying, and of course I've been designer bag hunting to find the perfect one where from day to night and like easily I can wear it wherever. And at the same time, I want enough storage. لأنه I have my ring light, my stand, like I want all my equipment in one place wherever I go. فهذه كانت شوي هيك المشكلة بالshopping. But other than that, it's been really great. We had a very lazy night yesterday because we were absolutely exhausted from all the walking, all the swimming, and everything. So it was a coffee date. And I think I shot everything. So حتشوفوا كل شيء بالمونتاج. But this is the recap so far. And this morning we had the loveliest brunch with our cousins here. I think everyone liked it, which is amazing. So I was really happy. It was in City Walk. It's called Melanzane and it's really yummy. I will make sure كل vlog نحط شوية هول. Just to show you what I've been getting recently, what I ordered. لأنه دايما there's packages and I love shopping. I love spoiling myself. And I want to show you what I got from Poison Drop. By the way, although I'm in Dubai right now, بس أنا ما جبتها من دبي. So جبت هيدا الرينج. As you can see, I absolutely love it. It's very chic. كمان من Poison Drop. I got this necklace. ما بعرف ليه. It reminds me of the Tiffany necklace. So cute, and فيها extension, so فينا نلبسها as long necklace or as a short necklace. كتير حبيبها. I don't know, it's just like chic بس like simple chic. Earrings, okay, that بتفوتوها على كل دينتكم and it looks like this. You see? I don't know if it shows, but it's super cute. The other one كمان شغلة from Poison Drop. I got these earrings that I love. كتير هيك classy, chic. I don't know, and I wore it today, بس هي more for like a night earring. بس هيك شو مهضوم. I really like it. And I'm so easy, be alright. just fits everything. Needs cleaning بس إنه يعني. So هو هذا الأوتفيت حيكون بس honestly I will be taking like a bigger bag لتساعد أغراضي كتير because I want to take you with me. I have the stand, I have the ring light, I have the other phone, I need a jacket. I will be wearing a jacket. This is the jacket I will be wearing. هيدا اجتني as a gift from Tarte and it's like the cutest jacket. Sorry for the mess بس إنه how cute. كان عم بيصير عندي hyperfixation. هول الثلاثة I will show you. The Makeup Forever, it says whatever walnuts or wherever walnuts. Lip liner. This lipstick from MAC in the shade 608. روعة. I love the shade. It's pink بس more like nude. كتير ناعم. This lip gloss, oh my god. كل الصيفية عم بستعمله. كل الصيفية. It's Pillow Talk medium. ومش معقول شو حلو. هلا مثلا بدون even lipstick. Look. I don't know. It's just like the perfect shade. So this is it. I think I will apply بعد شوية blush قبل ما نمشي. And I have to rush.
Swimming in a sunset